All right, guys, here it is, the 2022 KTM 300XC. Now, a good bit of the KTM's got some super minor changes for 2022, but this is not one of them. This bike is unchanged except for graphics, which I think look way better this year than they did last year. So, we don't have much to talk about. I would expect probably big changes to this bike next year. I'm going to give you a good look at it here, and then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to start it up and let you listen to it and get some other closer shots so you can check this thing out. I love these bikes, guys. I love the TPI. I just had to do an initialization run on this thing. Had to start it up, let the motor warm up to about 60, 65 degrees Celsius. That took about 12 or 15 minutes. Sit there, let the bike idle. It never loads up. Absolutely amazing. I just like hearing it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe because we're going to be dropping all the new models for the foreseeable future. If you are interested in one of these bikes, contact sales@aomc.mx. Tell them you saw the MX Guru's walk-around video and they will help you out. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.